Good afternoon, hello, bonjour, bonjour. I'm Professor Cora from here another French Institute in Chennai, and welcome for the live session. Today is, I was going to say Friday, no, today is Tuesday. So today is Tuesday, and I hope you spend a nice weekend with friends and family, and let's wait a little bit till all of you come and join us for this live session. And so let's wait a couple of seconds. I'm going to write the day of today. Mardi 18 février 2025. Mardi 18 février 2025. I'm going to wait a little bit till you're coming. Allez, on the chat, please write for me hello in French if you can, or hello in English, bonjour in French, and hello in English if you can. Please write it. I welcome you in my class. So, hello, hello, bonjour, bonjour, good afternoon. I'm going to start now. So, we saw last time the present tense, which is like with the verb to be, je suis, tu es, il, elle, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles sont. Donc, with the verb to be, je suis, tu es, il, elle, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles sont. The verb to have, alors, the verb to be is the verb être. Et avoir is the verb to have. Alors, j'ai, tu as, il, elle a, on. Nous avons, vous avez, il, elles ont. J'ai, I have. Tu as, you have. Il, elle, on. Remember, on is I made a video on this actually. You should go on YouTube and Instagram and check the video. Nous. Is to describe, to talk about a group of persons, but in a general way. Like you can say, we, it's a group of persons which are very specific. We are working in here another French institute. Ones have to turn off their mobile in the waiting room of the doctor. Once, it means on. On doit éteindre. So actually, on can be like, it's similar to nous, okay? Because when we talk about we can also talk about on. But whenever you use on, don't forget to use the singular form. Don't forget to use the singular form of the verb, please, at the third person. If you use we, therefore you will use the plural, the first person of the plural of the verb. Donc, now I would like to tell you another verb. The verb is to go. Okay, I think I already did it last time. Not last time, but the time before, I think. Le verbe aller. It's to go. Je vais. Je vais. Tu vas. Il, elle, on, as usual, he, she, on. If she wants something like this, va, because it's singular. Oui, nous allons. Look, it's different. It's not following the same rules. You see, there are two radicals. Here is the VA, and here it's a double N. Vous allez, ils, elles vont. And here, for the masculine, not masculine, for the third person of plural, again you're getting the same radical of the verb. Okay? Donc here you have two radicals. Just 1 minute. Let me put some different. Let me put some different colors. So here is the verb to go. For example, if I am telling you, je vais à l'école. I am going to school. Donc, je vais à l'école. Tu vas à l'école. Il, elle, on va à l'école. Let's change. Nous allons, where do we go? Nous allons au salon. Nous allons au salon. We are going to the living room. Salon is living room. Salon has two different meanings. Salon can be living room, and salon can also be a fair. You know, like a big meeting, a fair. Ça, c'est aussi un salon. Vous allez au magasin. You are going to the shop. Au magasin. Ils, elles vont aux États-Unis. They, it's in plural. They, for masculine or feminine, are going to state. They are going to state. Ils vont aux États-Unis. They go to state. Now, this is the present. All those are the present of the indicative. And as usual, this is the present of indicative. Verb to be, to have, and to go. Why today I focus on this verb? I'm going to focus on this verb right now. Because this verb, which is in present of indicative, And I'm focusing also on the indicative because, as I told you before, there are many families in grammar, in the French grammar, and the biggest one is called indicative. And you have so many different tense, so many different tense in the past, so many different tense in the future, and in the middle you have the present of indicative. So, just 1 minute, please. So, can we see nicely here? This is the most important. Yes, sure. Okay, good. So, je vais à l'école. Tu vas à l'école. On va à l'école. Nous allons au salon. Au salon can be living room and can be fair. Vous allez au magasin. Elles vont aux États-Unis. So this is présent de l'indicatif. L'indicatif, very big family of the French grammar. There are many small families. There are 3 other families in the French grammar, which are conditionnel, which is subjonctif et impératif. So, let's come back to this one. Let's come back to aller, to go. Now, I put it in présent de l'indicatif. What if I am telling you, in between the real future tense and now, there is a transaction, transaction verbs, like in between, huh? Transition verbs, yeah, thank you, Mike. There is a, we always need Mike. She is very nice, thank you, Mike. So, there is a transition verb. And this verb is telling that I am going, it's the future progressive, it's I am going to the future. So, to make this verb, you need this verb, okay, in the present tense, present of indicative. For example, je vais manger avec mon frère. Alors, what is this? Frère, it's brother. First of all. Mon, you know it. We saw it already. It's my. Avec is with. With. Me and my brother. I am with my brother. Okay. Je vais manger. This is I am going to eat with my brother. I am going to eat with my brother. Je vais manger. Whenever in French, okay, you find the verb to go in present and plus the infinitive form of the verb, then this is the futur, this is the futur proche. This is what the futur proche. Donc, I am going to eat with my brother. Let's make another one. Je vais étudier le français à Paris. Je vais étudier le français à Paris. Je vais étudier. Change. Let's start. Alors, je vais étudier. It's I'm going to study. Okay? So, étudier is to study. Actually, it's somehow the same base. You see? T-U-D-Y-I. Everything is connected, you know. So many words in Europe are connected, you know, because in my language we have a mix of so many things. Of course, French language is coming from Latin language, but we have also other, like for example, the Greek language. We also have the Greek language. Even the Latin took from the Greek, and we are taking from the Latin the Greek letter, like the Y, for example. And I already explained you at the extreme beginning of those live sessions. So, and you have to add also that there are some Germanic words in French. For example, what about the baseball? Baseball, it's an English word. Baseball is an English word. And in France, we are telling baseball. We are not giving any translation for this word. So, ball is ballon in French, but ball is coming from English. Okay, there is another game called handball. Handball. Ball, ball, it's written the same way. But ball is coming from the Germanic side. So handball, I will not say handball. And those who are telling handball, eh bien they are making mistakes because this is handball. Basketball, volleyball, handball. Basketball, volleyball are coming from the British side. They are coming from the English side. And handball is coming from the Eastern countries, so therefore the Germanic, and you have to pronounce them ball. So anyway, and there is not only this. Do you know that in my language we have so much roots of Arabic? There are so much roots of Arabic language. So, je vais étudier, and you don't forget to make the link in between because it's end with the S, and here start with the voyelle. So therefore you have to make the link, la liaison. Je vais étudier le français, the French language, therefore the French language, à Paris, in Paris. À Paris, in. So, what I wanted to tell you is, okay, we have, let's make another one. For those who know, let's say for those who know already a little bit French, for the A1 and A2, and can you write a sentence like this? Can you write it with the verb to go for the future proche? Can you write it, for example, and I will write on the board, if you can. Otherwise, I can give you another one. Je vais prendre l'avion demain. Je vais prendre l'avion demain. I am going to take plane tomorrow. I am going to fly. Actually, it's better if you say I am going to fly tomorrow. Donc, je vais prendre. Here, this is progressive future, ok? Le futur progressif, donc le futur proche. Ici, vous avez le verbe prendre. Prendre is to take. Prendre is to take, but in this case, if you have transportation after, you can say, for example, with the plane, it's to fly. Okay? It's not that you're going to take the plane. It's not when you're going to take the plane in the hand. It's just that you're going to fly by plane tomorrow. And it's also for the train. Je vais prendre mon train demain. I'm going to take, okay? I'm going to take the train tomorrow. You're not going to take it, okay? It's just that you are going to travel with the train, and this is the way we are expressing it in France, in French, because not only French people talk French language. So, je vais prendre l'avion demain. Demain is tomorrow. Okay, demain is tomorrow. Demain is tomorrow. And what about today? Today is aujourd'hui. Today is aujourd'hui. Let me check. You got something? Okay. So, demain is tomorrow. Aujourd'hui is today. Hier, yesterday. Voilà, c'est ça. I was thinking, I almost make mistakes. Alors, yesterday is hier. This time is amazing because big, very long word in English and very short word in French. So, today is aujourd'hui, yesterday, hier. Let me make it clear. So let's. Hier, yesterday, aujourd'hui is today, and demain is tomorrow. Aujourd'hui, je vais manger du poisson. Tiens, let's see. Okay, today I'm gonna eat fish. Today I'm gonna eat fish. I am putting du, okay, which has no translation in English, but du is for a quantity. We don't know exactly, but it's for quantity. Du poisson. Aujourd'hui, je vais manger du poisson. But this sentence can be also tomorrow. Ah, I wrote it in English. Demain, je vais manger